Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up Face ID on iPhone 17. Face ID is a face unlocking with a 3D sensor located right here at the top of your iPhone. And if you want to set it up, it's gonna be pretty simple. All you need to do is go to the settings, then go to Face ID and Passcode. And of course, a passcode has to be set. So I'm gonna turn my passcode on. I'm gonna set it up. By the way, you can choose a different type of passcode than a 6-digit numeric code, but I'll do it like that. Then I'm gonna re-enter it. Now let's wait just a short moment and we can go down. So go up to set up Face ID. Now when you click on that and click on get started, you'll need to position your face within this frame and then start rotating it a little bit. Now my Face ID is set up. I can use it with a mask if I'd like to. I'm gonna click on setup later, but selecting use with a mask will make you just enter, scan your face again, and it'll learn your like eye features and stuff like that. And you can also set up an alternative appearance, stuff like that. So if you want to do it, feel free to. And now to unlock your iPhone with Face ID, you can simply lift it ever so slightly. I'm not even that close to the phone, honestly. And it's unlocked. And if I wanted to unlock it with a passcode, I can still do it. And I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.